A first order is the best moment to start a post-purchase education sequence. Ask Sidekick to build it. Sidekick finds the order fulfilled trigger, the first order condition, wait actions, and FlowSend emails. The draft is ready. Tag onboarding welcome on day 1, tips on day 3, and a loyalty invite on day 7. Open the workflow in Shopify Flow and review each step before you turn it on. It starts when an order is fulfilled. No extra trigger setup is required. The condition checks number of orders equals 1, and that a default email address exists. First, it tags the customer as onboarding, so you can segment them later. Day 1 sends a welcome email through FlowSend with your shop name and next steps. Then the flow waits 2 days before the next message. Day 3 sends product tips, setup guidance, care instructions, and a clear path to support. Another wait of 4 days lands the final email on day 7. Day 7 invites them into your community, loyalty, social, and referrals. Customize the placeholder copy and confirm your FlowSend SMTP connection. Turn the workflow on, and every first fulfilled order starts the education series automatically.